Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Paysafecard on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. To do that, all you gotta do is simply open up your wallet and then tap on this plus icon. Once you have tapped on the plus icon, let's just wait a little bit. Once you tapped on the plus icon, go ahead, choose the debit or credit card, and then from over there, simply go ahead, enter the card details of your Paysafecard manually. Once you've entered the detail, go ahead, confirm it, and that's how you will be able to add your card and use it on your iPhone. Like that. Other than that, you can simply go ahead and have the Paysafecard app installed. Right, once you have installed the app, go ahead, open the cards tab and click add to Apple Wallet below the card. Simply follow the on-screen instruction, which will be the same as simply adding the card in your wallet. And that is it. You can also use your Paysafecard on other devices with your Apple ID as well. That's it. That's how easy it is to be doing that, and that is it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.